Hi there, welcome again to my channel. Today our topic is about preposition of place at, in, and on. This is also one of the most difficult parts in English grammar. Dito marami nakakamali sa board exam, sa civil service exam, and other sort of standardized test. Now this time we are going to analyze how to use preposition of place at, in, and on. But before that, of course, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification bell para palagi kayong updated sa aking bagong video. And of course, please share also. Alright, how to use at as preposition of place. At refers to a specific point or location. Ang at ay tumutukoy sa eksaktong lugar. It shows an exact location. It means also that you are in a specific place to do something. Ikaw ay nasa isang lugar para gumawa ng isang bagay. Okay, example. At the entrance. Now in this case, it means you are at the entrance. So for example, your friend is waiting at the entrance. Okay, next example, at home. Alright, example sentence, she works online at home. Alright, in this particular sentence, it means that she is working at home. So, ang dapat dito ay at, hindi pwede rito ang in. Okay. Next, at the corner. Alright. Notice this lady here. She is at the corner. Okay. Example sentence, she is waiting for somebody at the corner. Next, at the park. Example sentence, the children are enjoying at the park. Next, at the party. Example sentence, I was at the party last night. Okay. Now, this time we are going to discuss how to use in as preposition of place. In is used when an object, person, or animal is placed inside something. Ang in daw ay ginagamit kapag ang isang bagay, tao o hayop ay nakalagay sa loob. It could be either a box, a container, a building, or anything. Okay. Example, in the car. Example sentence, he forgot his wallet in the car. Next, in the bus terminal. Alright, we have here a bus terminal. We are going to make a sentence that means the subject is in the bus terminal. Okay, I will wait for you in the bus terminal tomorrow. Alright, here the subject I is inside this terminal. Bus terminal, I mean. Okay, next. In the drawer. Alright, this is a drawer. We're going to make a sentence that means the subject is inside the drawer. Okay. You should put the document in the drawer. Alright. The document is said to should be put inside this drawer. Alright, next, in the newspaper. Now we have here a newspaper. We are going to write a sentence about this newspaper. Okay, she discovered something in the newspaper. It means that that something is inside this newspaper. Okay, next. How to use on as preposition of place. Alright, on is used when an object is placed on a surface or when something is attached to or touching something. Ibig sabihin, ang unay ginagamit kapag ang isang bagay ay nakalagay sa itaas o nakadikit sa isang bagay. Say for example, on the table. Alright, we have a book here. It is placed on the table. Alright, the books are on the table. Nakalagay ang aklat dito sa taas ng mesa. So, on should be the proper preposition here. Next, on the carpet. We have here a dog sleeping on the carpet. It means the dog is at the top of this carpet. Okay. Our sentence is, the dog is sleeping on the carpet. Nasa itaas ng carpet o nakadikit sa taas ng carpet ang aso. Alright, next, on the wall. We have a writing here on the wall. I don't understand the writing on the wall. Alright. In this case, it means that the writing is attached on the wall. Nakadikit ang writing dito sa pader. Okay. Next, on the ceiling. We have here a ceiling attached, we have here a chandelier attached on the ceiling. Alright, the chandelier on the ceiling is beautiful. Alright, ibig sabihin, ang chandelier na ito ay nakadikit nakakabit sa kesame. So, the proper preposition here is on. Hindi pwede rito ang at o kaya ang in. Next, on the doorbell. Alright, we see a guy here touching this button of the doorbell. Example sentence, your admirer happily pushed the button on the doorbell. Alright, we can see here, nakadikit yung daliri nitong lalaki dito sa doorbell. So, our proper preposition should be on. Hindi pwede ang in, hindi rin pwede ang at. Okay, next. On this document. Alright, we have here a document, and we are going to make a sentence about this document. You should affix your signature on this document. Okay, dito sa taas ng document, maglalagay ng signature. Okay. Next, on the window. Alright. The burglar jumped on the window. Okay. I hope you have learned something in this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.